Good day, everyone. In our previous lecture, we looked about functions and we looked about how useful these functions are, especially when we want to run various experiences or when we want to run a particular set of instructions or a particular set of commands or so. Now, in today's lecture, we'll look at another special type of function, which is called as a coroutine. So, we'll look exactly what these coroutines are and what they do and how are they useful for us. So let's look at them in our upcoming slides. So first of all, what are coroutines? Coroutines are a type of function which can wait for a certain amount of time before processing or executing a set of commands within them. For example, clicking on a door and waiting for it to open. So if you're simulating a virtual reality experience of entering a mall, so you click on the doors button. So rather than immediately clicking and going dashing to the door, you want the door first to open and then you enter the door. So that's what exactly coroutine does. It actually waits for an instruction to complete for a particular time and then continues on to carry out the instruction. It has to be of the type I enumerator. So to define coroutines, you have to use the type I enumerator. So let's look at what some examples of exactly what do I mean by using coroutines. So let's look at the first example. So in this example, I have defined a coroutine as printing as time passes. And what this coroutine does is first it prints hello, and then the function waits for 5 seconds, and then it prints hello again. So what it is doing is it's printing hello first and then it's printing hello again. So it's carrying out a set of instructions with a time delay between them. So that's what coroutines are useful. They are useful especially for carrying out a set of instructions which have a time gap between them. So if you see at my next example also, so think about a timer. So what if you want to print 10, 9, 8, 7, 6? So you want to print step by step rather than all of them coming together. So what this function over here, as you can see, which count to 10 does is it's running a loop, and for every command it's printing I, which is the time, and it's waiting for the frame to end. So it's waiting for the frame to end. So in the next frame, so first frame it will print 0, the second frame it will print 1, the third frame it will 2. So all these back, so it will be like a timer for the game or a virtual reality experience. So think about a bomb diffusion virtual reality experience. You want a timer to happen. So your timer is decreasing in time. So that kind of functions are done by using coroutines. So coroutines are very useful. To summarize that, they bring a time delay or a time gap within the running of your function, and it can be used for a lot of various purposes. Thank you.